today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy chemical-free barbecue cleaner. It's that time of year, we're outside, we're cooking a lot, and our barbecues generally get a bit greasy and grimy. So this cleaner is absolutely fantastic for eliminating the chemicals that we would normally use and degreasing our hot plates. So what you'll need: a jar, some water, some citric acid. Now this is generally found in the cooking section of most supermarkets. I've got some eucalyptus oil and some bicarb soda as well. And I always like to use my coconut scrubbers. I find them really, really helpful. Now for those chemical cleaners that you do have sitting at home and now you have this amazing cleaner and you have no use for them anymore, you can drop those containers off to our community recycle center. They'll accept any of those chemical containers for free. If you need more information about what we accept at the community recycle center, head to the Midwaste website. We've got some information there, or check out your local council website for a list of things that they accept in your different local areas. So I always start with an empty jar. I like to make a big batch of this so I've got it for the rest of summer. Into it I put about halfway maybe of bicarb soda. Break up any of the lumps that are in there. Okay, then to that I want to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of citric acid, depending on how big your jar is. This jar is 250 ml, if that's helpful. I'll pop 3 in there. The citric acid helps break down some of that grease and grime, so it's helpful to put in there. Not necessary though. If you don't have it at home, just use your bicarb soda. Alrighty. And then to that, I'm gonna add some eucalyptus oil. This is a water-soluble solution. If you only have the regular oil at home, that's absolutely fine. That doesn't matter as well. That's about a teaspoon. I'm gonna add 2 of those into this mix. Give that a mix around. So a little bit of eucalyptus is spread throughout the bicarb. And you'll start noticing that it kind of clumps together, like it's starting to combine. Then to that, you want to just add small amounts of water until you have a nice paste consistency. Always start with less than what you think that you're going to need, because it's always easier to add more water than it is to take it out. So slowly mixing that in. You just want to get it to the point where it's just sort of kind of coming together. You don't want it to be a sloppy mess. All right, so if I can show you this, you just see how I squeezed that and it held together? That's the consistency that we're looking for. It smells delicious. Now, you'd use this, sprinkle it on your barbecue, go to it with a scourer, and kind of pair that up with our all-purpose cleaner as well. And you've got the perfect combo to make sure that our barbecues stay nice and clean for the rest of summer.